You just win your seat, sworn in as the Member of Parliament. But from day one, the former MP, Homer Davis, still wants to pull the strings, still wants to control everything. That's the reality facing South St. James right now with PNP's Nekeisha Burchell. Stick around because this one hot. A few weeks ago, Nekeisha Burchell proudly took her oath as the new MP for South St. James under the People's National Party banner. It was a fresh start, a new chapter that the people voted for. But according to Burchell, not everybody is willing to step aside gracefully. She's calling out the former Jamaica Labour Party MP Homer Davis, accusing him of trying to hold on to the reins of power. Even though the people clearly said it's time for change, Burchell says instead of respecting the will of the people, the former MP still wants to dictate, still wants to control resources, and still wants to interfere in community matters. Now let's be real. This kind of tug of war is not just about politics. It's about respecting democracy. When a seat changes hands, the community expects cooperation and continuity. But when old power players refuse to let go, the very development of the people is put at risk. Burchell's words are a warning shot. The people of South St. James deserve leadership that listens, leadership that's accountable, and leadership that moves forward, not backward. And trust me, her stance is striking a chord with residents who are tired of the same old political games. This is about South St. James stepping into its future, and about whether the former MP can accept reality and let the people's choice lead. So what you think, family? Should former MPs be allowed to meddle after the people vote them out? Or should they step aside and respect the will of the people? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is Michy Commentary, where the people's voice takes center stage. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Jamaica's political drama. And don't move, cause the next story coming hot.